Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here for a really funny story time. One of my weirdest dating encounters. It all started on Tinder. So me and my friends do like a Tinder challenge, or where we download the app and we just kind of swipe for 24 hours just to see what else is out there. Because it's hard to date these days, guys. Like, we all know it's hard. So we downloaded the app and we were swiping, and I swiped with this guy. He was really attractive, nice body, so it seemed in the pictures, nice face, like everything. I was like, oh my god. And then we started chit-chatting on the app, and as I'm getting to know him, I'm like, wow, I really like his vibe, like he's cool. So he looks good and he has a good personality, because that's important to me, because you can look good and have an ugly personality, and I ain't about that. So he says to me how he wants to take me out. So I'm like, oh my god, like amazing, like I'm so impressed. He gives me an address, and obviously, like, in this day and age, people are crazy. I passed the address to my friend, and I was like, girl, here's the address to where this guy wants me to meet him. It's at some place. I googled, I can only really like see like a building. It looks some type of public place. So I'm like, but here's the address, so if my ass goes missing, you know where the fuck to send the police, period. So I get dressed. Oh my gosh, I think I wore like heels and like a nice like pair of jeans, like, you know, like a dressy casual type of look. And I pull up to this address. Guys, guess where the address was? I'm sick. It was a church. Now, I don't have anything wrong with any religion, but what you're not finna do is force me to worship what you worship. Like, why would that even be a first date? You didn't ask me you didn't even ask what religion I am a part of. You didn't ask me anything. You just forced me into your religious situation, where that should definitely be a conversation first. So I pull up to this place, and I'm dressed up for a date, not knowing that we're going to a church service. So we pull up, we're in this church, and I'm thinking, okay, like, it'll be fine. Like, I'm just gonna sit there. No, bitch, we were front row center at this church service. Okay. I'm just thinking about this date, and I'm like, what the fuck? What? Like, I have the worst luck with dates, guys. I'm telling you, I cannot. I'm sick. So, anyways, so we're front row at this church, this service, and I'm like. I'm sitting there, I'm like, okay, like, I'm just doing everything that I'm supposed to do, and I just felt like, oh my god, this is so awkward. I'm definitely not talking to him after this. So after the church service was over, he goes, oh, would you like something to eat? And I'm like, oh my god, okay, well, might as well. Like, I'm out the house, I'm dressed, I'm starving. I thought we were gonna have a beautiful day and eat and talk and get to know each other. And he goes, okay, perfect, I know a great place down the street that we could go eat. He brought me to Chipotle, and you know what, ain't nothing wrong with Chipotle, but like, don't make it seem like we're going somewhere crazy. We're going to Chipotle. I'm like, okay, perfect. We pull up, I'm like, oh, amazing, I'm gonna go get some Chipotle. He's gonna get this for me. At least I got some free Chipotle out of this weird day. Weird day. So we pull up to Chipotle. I'm ordering. I'm getting my little bowl, you know what I'm saying, with the the shredded beef, was it the barbacoa? I don't remember. I haven't been to Chipotle in years because a bitch trying to be skinny right now. But we get the bowl, and I'm pulling up to the cash register, and she's like, okay, are you guys separate? Or are you together? He's like, oh, okay, no, we're separate. I'm like, no, this nigga didn't. So I paid for my Chipotle. I couldn't even believe I paid for my Chipotle. I still can't believe I paid for my Chipotle. So we go to sit down to eat, and he was just, you know, I'm having such an amazing day with you. You know, I'm so glad you came, and you're so much beautiful in person, and I just love your energy. And I'm sitting there like, yeah, I had a great. It's been interesting. It's been interesting. Yeah. Wow. Whew. I'm so tired. I think I might go. I did forget my dog has a grooming appointment as well. That was my mistake. Oh my god, I don't mean to hold you up. Did you want to go now, or do you want us to finish up our food? No, I think I'm just gonna go right now. I'm gonna go right now. Like, thank you so much for everything. It's been so fun. Oh my god, I'm glad you had fun. Definitely we should do this again. Absolutely. I will message you when I get home. Okay? Thank you. Okay. Bye. Guys, no. I blocked him. I deleted him. I just feel like it is not appropriate for you to force somebody in a situation like that, like religious. Like, what if my religion is so against your religion, or like, what if it's something crazy? Like, you can't force people into a situation like that. I don't feel like a first date is appropriate at church unless that's something you guys have discussed. We did not even discuss that. Okay? Not even discuss that. So I blocked and I deleted him and I moved forward with my life. And as I was in the gym getting skinny at the time, I saw him and then he's like, oh my god, Brittany, hey, like, well, how are you? I'm like, I'm great. And he's like, okay, great. Oh my god, we should definitely, I don't know what happened. We kind of lost touch. I'm sure we both got busy. Nothing purposeful on either part, I'm sure, right? I'm like, oh, you know what? To be very honest, after that date, I just wasn't interested. I'm so sorry. But thank you. It was so great seeing you. Guys, that's what I could do. I handled it with grace. It was the most awkward, terrible date I will never forget. And it's more so in the moment how, like, my face was like, I cannot. But yeah, so that's the story of my terrible Tinder date. My weird, awkward Tinder date with the guy who took me to church and Chipotle that I had to pay for. You could have paid for my Chipotle, at least. I drove to church, drove to Chipotle. You could have paid for my Chipotle. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this short little story time I wanted to share with you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you click that bell because YouTube does not tell you when I post videos, even though you're notified. Even though you're subscribed. Sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just remembered the story and I had to tell you guys. So, thanks for watching. Bye.